So I forgot to mention that if you guys take the super steady shot, and then after that you don't want to take it, make sure you take it out. So it allow you to select back to your wide angle, ultra wide, and then your telephotos. Okay. And I forgot to mention when you go to super slow-mo, there's an option right there on the top. Record when motion detect. You can turn it on or off, so you don't need to have somebody push it for you. Okay, to record. So you can turn that on. Record when motion detect it is on. And also on the right hand side, it can allow you to record 0.4 second or 0.8 second. And let's go through the slow motion setting. With the slow motion, you can turn on the flash, either automatic or on. And then for the hyperlapse, you could also turn on the flash or auto. And then there's the speed. Right now it's on auto speed. You can select to 4 times. You could select 4 times or 8 times or 16 times or 32 times. Okay. Okay, after you set the record with the motion detect on, now you're gonna hit the record button right here. Once you hit the record, keep your phone, wait for motion in the square. So if something moving in the square, I move, it's going to automatically record it. Okay, so let's see what's it doing. So it says saving the motion record. So let's click on that and then click on play. So it automatically has a music. Wow. And then after that, you could share this or set it as wallpaper or move to a secure folder. I'm going to delete it. Here are some of the samples that I record for the super slow motion. So let's go ahead and then right now after you save it, or after you right now after you record it, you cannot zoom in or do whatever. You have to go and then play it first. And then after that, you could drag which part you want to save. Okay, by dragging this button. The first at the beginning and at the end, those are the regular speed. Within this rectangular with those 2 dots, those are the slow motion frame. See, as you can see, I adjusted. I can select at what point I want to the video to start and stuff like that. And then after that, you might want to shorten the video. Let's see, I'll go back again. So after I adjust it, and then that's what it look like within the, you adjust what part of the slow motion that you want to select. And then you could drag it to make it shorter from the right hand side here. What the? I don't know, the touch is not working too well or something. And then after that, you're gonna click on share or save or mute the music. I'm gonna click on save. So it's saving your video right now. All right, so after you save it, now you can go back then and try to view it. So this is the original video because you cannot zoom in or zoom out. So that means that's the original video. So this is the one that we just saved And then if you want to watch full screen, you can zoom in, okay? But you might miss up the top section because when I ollie with my hand, that it is pretty high up there. So let's go check out another video that I did. So this one is the one that I edited already. So as you can see, when you zoom in, you cannot see that high, okay? You can zoom to fit. Let's play again. All right, so that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.